Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Draw.io unexpected error issues in 2026. So if Draw.io suddenly displays an error message, stops responding, or crashes while you're working on a diagram, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, refresh Draw.io and try the action again. Temporary glitches can sometimes trigger unexpected errors that disappear after a reload. Next, save a backup of your diagram if possible. This helps protect your work before making any troubleshooting changes. Now check your internet connection if you're using the online version. Network interruptions can cause loading, saving, and syncing errors. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can create conflicts and trigger unexpected behavior. Now try opening Draw.io in a different browser or an incognito window. This helps identify whether the issue is related to your current browser setup. Next, disable browser extensions temporarily. Some extensions can interfere with scripts, storage access, and cloud integrations. Now verify that your cloud storage account, such as Google Drive or OneDrive, is connected properly if your files are stored online. Next, update your browser and Draw.io to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues and known bugs. Now restart your computer and reopen Draw.io to clear temporary system conflicts. Finally, if the problem continues, reinstall the desktop app or reset your browser settings before testing again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed Draw.io unexpected error issues. Now the application should work smoothly without random errors or interruptions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.